Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Apple Watch. So let's get started. So in order to restart it, you're going to locate the crown and then this button underneath. And all you do is press and hold both of the buttons at the same time until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears. So I'll do it with two of my fingers here. So usually I just like to hold it with both of my thumbs to make it easy. And as you can see here, I'm going to wait until the screen goes completely black. And once I see the Apple logo reappear again, I will let go. So let's wait for it to show the Apple logo again. And then I let go. And that's going to go ahead and basically shut it down and restart it. Basically a reload. When it does restart, it's going to take a little bit. Usually for some reason, Apple Watches take a little bit longer than iPhones to restart. But you're just going to have to wait. It will restart. Like normally, this method will not delete any of your data. Again, all of your data still will be on your Apple Watch, so you don't have to worry about it. So just wait for it to just go back to the main screen again. So here I'm just waiting. So we're going to see it go back in any minute to the home screen, and that will mark a successful restart on the Apple Watch. And as you can see here, we successfully restarted the Apple Watch. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple Watch. See you guys next time.